Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat at ako nga po pala si Kay Alfonso. Nagpapalita dito sa Laurel Patrol. At ngayon, tutukuyin po natin kung ano nga po ang earthquake. Babalita po yan ng ating kasama si Zelly Pasok. Maraming salamat Kay Alfonso. At ngayon, tutukuyin natin kung ano nga ba ang earthquake. Earthquake is a result of sudden release of stored energy in the Earth's crust that creates seismic waves. Ano nga ba ang earthquake? An earthquake will result one set of simulated emergency circumstances designed to test the ability of school members to make the most appropriate decisions to ensure their safety. School members should understand the emergency response plan sufficiently in order to reach appropriately during the drill. Ano nga ba ang nagiging dahilan ng earthquake? Groundwater extraction, increase in pore pressure. Groundwater, increase in pore pressure. Heavy rain, poor fluid flow, high CO2 or sa tinatawag carbon dioxide pressure. Building dams, earthquakes, or earthquakes, seismic forensics. Meron mga types of different types of earthquake. Ano tectonic, volcanic, and explosion. Earthquakes are usually caused when the underground rock suddenly breaks and there's rapid motion along a fault. Ano nga ba ang dapat natin gawin bago mangyari ang earthquake? Make sure you have a fire extinguisher, first aid kit, a battery-powered radio, a flashlight, extra batteries, home. You can add diesel, water, and liquid in. Learn first aid, turn off the gas and the electricity, and also water. Make up a plan of where you need to go after an earthquake. Ano nga ba dapat gawin pagkatapos ng If you're caught in an aftershock, stay calm. If you're indoors, don't go outside. Stay away from the windows and doors. If you're outdoors, stay in an open area away from the power line or anything that might fall. Especially, learn how to duck cover. What is called aftermath earthquake? Ano nga bang tawag bago maging earthquake? Aftershock are earthquakes that follow the large shock of an earthquake sequence. They are smaller than the main shock and within 1 to 2 the distance from the main shock. Aftershocks can continue over a period of weeks, months, or years. How long can earthquake last? Ano nga ba? O kailan matatapos ang ulitin? Strong ground shaking during a moderate large earthquake typically lasts at about 10 to 30 seconds. Readjustment in the earth cause more earthquakes or aftershocks that can occur immediately for weeks or months. What months is earthquake period? Kailan ba nagaganap ang earthquake period? Following famous National Preparedness Month in September, individually and communities throughout the nations are encouraged to participate in the annual day of Shake-Out Earthquake held annually on the third Thursday of October. Oh, lemel. Ayan na. Lag na cellphone ko. Tapos restrict pa ako.
Problema ka ba kung anong nilalaroin mo?
Bas, eto na, ang Samsung Jam. Itong Samsung Jam at to ay napakagarantisado at siya bibili sa laro mo at mag-win streak ka sa ML. Yan na natin ang gagamitin ko para maayos na at dinado ang aking paglalaro. Tama ko? Nagbabalik po tayo para sa Laurel Patrol. So ngayon, tutukuyin na naman natin kung ano nga ba ang seismograph. Seismograph or instruments used to record the motion of the ground during an earthquake. As the seismograph shake under the mass, the recording device on the mass records the relative motion between itself and the rest of the instrument, thus recording the ground motion. A seismometer is an instrument that responds to ground noise. Ibabalik po tayo dito sa Laurel Patrol. Ngayon, tutuloy naman natin kung ano nga ba ang seismograph. Seismographs are instruments used to record the motion of the ground during an earthquake. As the seismograph shake under the mass, the recording device on the mass records the relative motion between itself and the rest of the instrument, thus recording the ground motion. A seismometer is an instrument that responds to ground noise and shaking such as caused by earthquakes, volcanic eruption, and explosions. They are usually combined with a timing device and a recording device to form a seismograph. Ano nga ba ang parts ng seismograph? Spring, wind, pen, and drum. Beating drum. Ano nga ba ang PHIVOLCS? PHIVOLCS, called Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology. The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, the PHIVOLCS, is a service institute of the Department of Science and Technology, ODOST, that is principally mandate to mitigate disasters that may arise from volcanic eruption, earthquakes, tsunami, and other related geotectonic phenomena. What do you call a person who studies volcanology? Also spelled volcanology. It's the study of volcanoes, lava, magma, and related geological, geophysical, and geochemical phenomena of volcanism. A volcanologist is a geologist who studied the eruption activity and formation of volcanoes and their current and historic eruptions. Ano nga ba ang cause ng earthquake? An earthquake is caused by a sudden slip of ground. When the stress on the edge overcomes the friction, there is an earthquake. The release energy in waves that travels through the Earth's crust and causes the shaking of the plate. In California, there are two plates, the Pacific Plates and the North American Plates. Volcanology is a branch of geology that deals with volcanism, the study of volcanoes. Scientists that study volcanology are called volcanologists. What are the five divisions of VOLCs? The institute is composed of four technical divisions: volcanoes, monitoring and eruption, prediction division, or VMED, seismological observation, and earthquake prediction division, also geology and geophysics research and development division, or GER, and geological disaster awareness and preparedness. Salamat sa iyo. At ngayon, natutunan mo naman kung ano nga ba ang earthquake. At doon nagtatapos ang ating report para sa araw nito. At ito ang Lauren Patrol.